Assalamu alaikum dear learners, how are you all? Hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to NIV's Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 2, Lesson 3 and 4 discussions. So let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject BGS. Topic Chapter 2, Lesson 3 and 4 discussion. Lecture-2, H.W-1, Teacher Ariful Islam, Messenger Ariful Bari. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, open this book, Bangladesh and Global Studies book, and go to Chapter 20, page 20, Lesson 3, the hellish genocide of 25 March. So let's start our today's discussion. So you can see in your today's class, Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic Chapter 2, Lesson 3 and 4 discussion. How well exam? Lecture 2. So Lesson 3, the hellish genocide of 25 March. So hellish genocide means the death of a lot of people, the killing of lots of people. So, genocide conducted by Pakistani soldiers on the night of 25 March. The genocide conducted on which date 25 March 1971 in Darden, East Pakistan. Darden means that time. East Pakistan was named Operation Searchlight. So the genocide that happened upon the East Bengal is named Operation Searchlight. The genocide was named Operation Searchlight. That was happened 25 March 1971. Though this operation started on the night of 25th March, its preparation had started from the beginning of March. A ship named MV Suwait, loaded with arms and weapons, reached Chattogram port from West Pakistan on 3rd March. This will be 3rd March. So a ship named Suwait reached East Pakistan on 3rd March, loaded with arms and weapons. So that was the preparation of the Pakistanis. President Yahya stayed at Dhaka from 15 to 24th March in the name of discussion with Bangabandhu, but actually he stayed at Dhaka to supervise the preparation of Operation Searchlight. So if the question comes in the exam, who supervised the Operation of Searchlight? This is Yahya Khan. Okay. So according to Operation Searchlight, the responsibility of conducting genocide in Dhaka city was given to Major General Rao Forman Ali of Pakistan Army. So genocide of Dhaka city, the responsibility given to Major General Rao Forman Ali of Pakistan Army. So the genocide was conducted in Dhaka city. So next one, according to the plan, Pakistani soldiers wanted to take control of EPR headquarters at Pilkhana and Rajarbagh police lines. So they wanted to take control of EPR. The primary responsibilities of the soldiers were to attack Dhaka University, Dhaka Engineering University, to arrest Bangabandhu, to control telephone exchange, radio, television, state bank, communication system of Dhaka city, and to arrest Awami League leaders and to seize the arms of all Bengali soldiers of Rajshahi, Jashore, Khulna, Rangpur, Soyedpur and Kumilla cantonments, and all members of EPR, Ansar and police departments. Outside Dhaka, this operation was conducted by, this is very important for exam, General Ethadem Hossain Raja. The head of this operation was Lieutenant General Tikka Khan. So who was the head of Operation Searchlight? Lieutenant General Tikka Khan. Pakistani soldiers came out at the streets from Dhaka cantonment at 11:30 p.m. 125th March. A procession in support of liberation became the first target of Pakistani soldiers at Farmgate. The first target was at Farmgate. At the same time, attack was carried on at Pilkhana and Rajarpur police lines. Pakistani soldiers mercilessly killed many of people on that night. Attack was conducted in the hall of Dhaka University at dead of night. At dead of night, at the very deep of night. Okay, the middle of the night. Pakistani soldiers entered Iqbal Hall. Now it is called Jazorul Hall. The previous name of Iqbal Hall is Jazorul Hall is Iqbal Hall, and Jagannath Hall, and killed many innocent sleeping students. Then they conducted mass killings also at Dhaka Hall, Shahidullah Hall. The previous name of Shahidullah Hall is Dhaka Hall, Rokeya Hall, and University Residential Area. 10 teachers, very important, 10 teachers and 300 students and employees of Dhaka University were killed during the genocide in March. The railway slums near Jorul Haq Hall were on fire, and the result of this was heavy destruction. 8,000, very important, innocent people were killed on the night of 25th March. According to the plan of Operation Searchlight, the Pakistani soldiers arrested Bangabandhu from his 32 Nong. This is very important. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested from 32 Nong Dhanmondi house at 1:30 a.m. 25th March at the start of 26th March. Okay, as it is 1:30, so it is 1:25 March in the night, and it was 26th March at the start of 26th March. Before being arrested, Bangabandhu declared independence and gave a clarion call to his countrymen to launch war. Okay, so Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. We're moving to next page. Lesson 4, Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu 126 March. This is very important. The Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu 126 March was a very significant event in the history of liberation war. He said, "This is perhaps my last speech, very important speech. Bangladesh is independent from today. I urge means emphasize upon all the people of Bangladesh to face the occupation forces with all what you have. You have to carry on the war till the last soldiers of Pakistani force is driven away and ultimate independence is achieved." The Bangladesh Gazette, 15th Amendment of the Constitution, 3rd July 2011. So this declaration was sent to Chattogram by wireless. Very important. The declaration was sent to Chattogram by wireless. The Awami League leaders of Chattogram came forward to broadcast this. Broadcast means to live, to telecast this. There were some enthusiastic means encouraging, and patriotic employees at Chattogram Radio Center. They converted Kalurghat railway station into the Independent Revolutionary Radio Center. So they converted Kalurghat railway station into the Independent Revolutionary Radio Center. The Kalurghat was converted to Independent Revolutionary Radio Center. Abdul Hannan, very important, Abdullah Hannan, General Secretary of Chattogram Awami League, broadcast this message of declaration on behalf of Bangabandhu at noon at 26 March. So Abdul Hannan first declared the independence on behalf of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman on 26 March. Mr. Ziaur Rahman read out the Declaration of Independence 127 March from the same radio center on behalf of Bangabandhu. This Declaration of Independence broadcast by the wireless center created inspiration and expectation in the people at all levels. The liberation war got a real shape with the Declaration of Independence on 26 March. Though the preparation of liberation war of Bangladesh was sporadic at the initial stage, Gradually, it turned into a civil war. The members of army, EPR, police, and ANSWER joined all types of people, such as farmers, workers, students, and young men in this war. So, Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, 126 March, is very significant in the history of our liberation war. So, my dear students, your H.W-1 will be submitted on Sunday. Make 10 OWA. OWA means one word answer. OWA means one word answer from chapter 1, lesson 3 and 4. So this will be your HW. So my dear students, do your assigned HW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. Parents or anyone else can come to school for collecting and submitting HW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide with parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.